Okay, family, today too we are meeting again for our online tutorial section, which I am Obin Richard, and I will be leading you through the mathematics online tutorial as we have it now. Stay tuned, and at the end of the day, you'll be blessed. I will encourage you watching now to subscribe to this channel and you hit the notification bell. Also, you like the video so that always you will not be left out. But you'll be the first person to watch any video that I post on this channel. Be with me so that we will all enjoy a successful lesson. Now come closer and let's see what mathematics has for us today. Very good. So let's continue with light. Today let's dive into the aspect of surds, where we are going to look at numbers which falls under the radical sign. Are you getting me? So specifically we are going to dive into how to simplify surds, that is simplifying surds. Now as you can see, I have some question samples here, and these question samples here will guide us, will let us know how to simplify surds. So from here I will make sure I will explain how to simplify surds with better understanding. That is why I said stay tuned so that you will not be left out. I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel. You hit the notification bell, and after you like it as well. If you have further questions after this lesson, don't forget to post your question within the comment section. Then we will discuss it afterwards. Let's enjoy a wonderful lesson. Now come closer and let's continue. So I said sets. When we say sets, we are referring to numbers, specifically whole numbers under the radical sign. So here we are talking about the radical sign as this. This is what we call it as the radical sign. This is called the radical sign, or some people say square root sign. Some people term it as square root sign. So radical sign or square root sign, any number that falls under this, the whole thing tend to be what? Surd. Are you getting me? Right. Very good. So we are going to dive into how to simplify this. It is similar to algebra, simplifying algebra. So we are going to employ the idea of algebra over here. Very good. So let me write down my solution. Then after you will see how to solve it step by step. Very good. So let me start with question number 1. Now I believe you know how to pronounce this. Okay, so here we say 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus root 2 plus 8 root 2 minus 4 root what? 3. Very good. So let me write down my solution. Now that I am done writing my solution, we are going to start looking at how to simplify this mathematically. Are you getting me? Very good. So question number 1, I have my 2 plus root of 2 plus 8 root of 2 minus 4 root of 3. Are you getting me? Very good. So we continue with line. Now that we are done writing our question, our first method or our first procedure, remember I told you that solving this or simplifying this, we employ the idea of what? Algebra here. Remember when we are solving algebraic expressions, adding and subtracting terms, we normally employ what we call like terms and then unlike terms. So here too we are going to group what? Like terms. Very good. So grouping like terms, continue with the procedure, grouping like terms. Now if I pick the first term, this, which is 2 root of 3. If I pick the first term, now you see the 2 here is a whole number, and there is root 3 attached to it. So for me to look for the like term of this, it means I have to look for another term which has root 3 attached to it. So if I check through, I realize that here I have root 3 attached to the negative 4. So this becomes a like term of that. So I will add it to it, which is 4 root 3, negative 4 root 3. Now, do I have any other term with root 3 attached to it? No. So I'll continue with the next term. So I have plus root of 2 and plus 8 root of 2. Are you with me? Very good. So now this and this are like terms, and this are like terms. Are you okay? Very good. Now before we continue with the process, have it in mind that anytime that a number under the radical sign or under the square root sign stands on its own, there is a coefficient. Are you with me? Very good. So when we come here, there is a coefficient of 2, and here there is a coefficient of what? Negative 4. So simplifying this, so it is like we have 2x minus 4x. When we simplify this, we are going to get what? Negative 2x. You see, we deal with the whole numbers or the coefficient attached to the number. Attached to the variable. So that is why we are subtracting this from that. Are you getting me? So we subtracted this when we are getting negative 2, and our answer became what? This. In the same manner, we are going to employ this here. Are you getting me? Very good. So let's continue with line. So here I'm going to subtract the 4 from the 2. I'm going to get what? 2. Okay, then after I will add the root 3 to it. Likewise, the way I did this one also. So here I'm going to get what? Negative 2 root of 3. So that's what I'm going to get. Are you with me? Very good. So now we come to this portion. Now remember, this place is root of 2. Someone may ask, what number do we have? There is a whole number in front of any radical sign. I get it. Now here, there is a whole number, which is what? 1. This one is similar to, let's say you are having x plus 8x. Let me tell you what I have here as this. Remember, this x has a coefficient of this, and this x here too has a coefficient of 1. But the one we don't normally write. Are you getting me? It is a unit number, and it is there. Oh, so this place also has a coefficient of what? 1 that we don't normally write. So adding this one up, we are going to get what? 9x. The same manner when we come here, you realize that here is 1, here is 8. So we are going to get what? Plus 9 root of 2. Are you getting me? Now because here is root 3 and here is root 2, please, this and this are not like terms, because this one is root 3 and this one is root of what? 2. Similarly, it is like we are having negative 2x plus 9y. Can we add negative 2x and positive 9y? No. In the same manner, we cannot add this one to this. So this becomes our final answer. So our final answer then becomes negative 2 root of 3 plus 9 root of 2. I get me. So this becomes our final answer. I believe you are following and you are getting the concept. Very good. So let's continue with the next question. I'll give you some few minutes, just glance through. If you have questions, you put it in the comment section, then I'll get back to you in a few minutes. All right, so welcome back. Now let's continue with the next question, which is question number 2. Question number 2, very good. So this one goes away. Then I will tackle question number 2. Question number 2, we have root of 8 plus root of 7 minus 3 root of 2. Now, so do we have like terms there? Someone may say no, but let's ask ourselves, can we decompose this? Can we decompose the root 8? Can we decompose it? Let's ask ourselves, have it in mind that if we try to decompose the root 8, this can be rewritten as taking a perfect square and any number that when you use to multiply the perfect square, you get 8. So here we are going to get 4 times what? 2. And this can be expressed as root of 4 multiplying root of what? 2. Are you following? Yes. So over here, mathematically, you realize that over here, let me rewrite everything down here. So I'm getting root of 4 multiplying root of 2. Now root of 4 is the same as what? 2. Do you remember this? Root of 4 is the same as 2. Okay, because root of 4 can be written as root of 2 power 2, and this is the same as 2 power 2 all power what? Half, because of the radical sign. So I'm going to get this where this one will cancel. In my previous videos, I explained this concept, so please kindly go back there and check. So we are getting 2 power what? 1, which is the same as 2. I believe it is clear. Very good. So here we are getting root 4 is the same as 2 multiplying root of 2. Root of 2 is the same as root of 2. Now multiplying this, there's a whole number here. So we multiply the whole numbers. Okay, very good. So here we are multiplying 2 times 1, where we are going to get 2 root of 2. So meaning decomposing root 8, we are going to get 2 root of 2. Very good. So okay, after decomposing root 8, we had 2 root of 2 plus root of 7 minus 3 root of 2. So this is what we are getting. Someone is asking, why can't we decompose the root 7? We can't decompose root 7 because, ask yourself, root 7, the number 7, can we split it up into 2? Well, we will get a perfect square and a number. Is it possible? No. That is why we have maintained it as it is. But the 8 is possible. That is why we did it. And then we had this. I get to me. Now let's group like terms. So in grouping like terms, we are having 2 root 2. This one will come minus 3 root of 2 plus root of 7. So in the same manner, we have root 2 here. So we take the coefficient, then we do justice to it. So we have 2 minus 3, which is given as negative 1. So here we are getting negative 1 root of 2. I will name very good. Then plus root of what? 7. Or you can also decide to rewrite it as root of 7 minus root of 2. So this and this are the same. This and this are the same. So our answer becomes what we have here. So either this or this. That's it. So this becomes our answer. Alright, so I will leave question 3 for you. You will solve it and leave your answer in the comment section. And I believe I can leave question 4 too for you to try your hands on it. Alright, so let's solve question 4. Then question 3, you will try your hands and you leave your answer in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. So please kindly do it and share your answer with me in the comment section. Thank you very much. Let's solve question number 4. My question number 4 here, I have root 18 plus root 9. So root of 18 added to root of what? 9. Now can we decompose root 18? Yes, we can decompose it. So decomposing root of 18, meaning I'll ask myself, do I have a perfect square times any number that will give me 18? Yes. 9, a perfect square is possible, times 2 is possible. So here I can split it as root of 9 multiplying root of 2. I will do this. So bringing it downwards here, I'm going to get what? Root of 9 multiplying root of 2. And then we all know that 9 is a perfect square, so root 9 becomes what? 3 multiplying 9 root of 2. Are you getting? I believe you know why root 9 we are getting 3. Why? Because root 9 can be expressed as root of 3 squared. Are you getting me? And this can be written as 3 power 2 raised to the power half. Where this will cancel, what we are going to get 3 power 1. Okay, yes, that is why here root 9 we are getting 3. I believe it is clear. Very, very good. So here we are getting 3 root of 2. Remember, we said that we are multiplying the whole number. We are multiplying. Are you getting me? If it is addition, we will not be able to add. But because we are multiplying, we can easily multiply 3 and then the whole number. Are you getting me? Very good. So, root of 18, after simplification, we had 3 root of 2 added to. Now, simplifying this, we are going to get what? 3. Root 9 is the same as what? 3. Very good. So, let's continue with line. Now, I'm now having 3 root 2 plus 3. 3 root 2 plus 3. I will leave this as my answer. This then becomes my answer. Are you getting me? It becomes my answer. So this then becomes our answer. Now we cannot add 3 to the 3, no. So it becomes our answer. But if it is multiplication, assuming the question we had this, multiplying this, that one we can multiply 3 and this 3, because this 3 is a whole number and this one. Please check the sign in between. It is multiplication and not addition. Are you with me? Very good. Because it is multiplication, I can multiply this one by this. Okay? And have it in mind that here we are dealing with the whole numbers over here. So I cannot multiply 3 and that. No. So here my answer becomes 9 root of 2. Because I am doing what? Multiplying, not adding. It is multiplication here. So take note. Very good. But here, because it is not multiplication, that is why I have left my answer like that. Alright, so this then becomes my answer. Thank you very much. We will end our lesson here, and I believe you understood all the processes. Remember, I've given you some trial work to try your hands on it. Please kindly do justice to it. You solve it and leave your answer in the comment section. Then we will all discuss it afterwards. Thank you very much for being with me, or for staying tuned. Do not forget that you like this video, you subscribe, then you hit the notification bell, then you share it among your friends so that we will be able to help other students who are also out there finding this challenging. They will also get in touch with this video and they will also be redeemed from their problems. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.